Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best GPS drones, perfect for anyone looking to make a smart investment in aerial technology. These incredible drones come packed with features that make them versatile and reliable for all types of users, from beginners to seasoned enthusiasts. Remember, you can find all the product links in the description below to explore further. Just a quick note, this list reflects our personal picks based on ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more to help you make the best decision. Number 5, the GISAEV Z908 Pro GPS drone. This lightweight drone is designed for portability with foldable arms and a compact build. It boasts a 150 degrees wide-angle field of view and 8K HD video recording capabilities, ensuring breathtaking visuals every time. With a maximum transmission range of 2.7 kilometers and a flight time of up to 20 minutes, it offers a reliable experience for short adventures. The GPS functionality provides precise positioning, while the optical image stabilizer ensures smooth footage. A 50x optical zoom camera adds versatility, making it ideal for capturing intricate details. Its robust build makes it a great option for those starting out or seeking an affordable yet feature-rich drone for aerial photography. Number 4, we have the KBDFA G6 GPS drone, which brings advanced functionality in a compact package. Equipped with a powerful 5G Wi-Fi connection, this drone ensures real-time image transmission over a distance of up to 5 kilometers. It offers 15 to 20 minutes of flight time and has an intuitive waypoint flight mode that lets you draw routes for the drone to follow. The 120-degree wide-angle camera captures stunning 5G-enabled high-resolution visuals, while its altitude hold mode ensures stable flight for perfect shots. With features like headless mode, one-key takeoff and landing, and 3-speed settings, this drone is beginner-friendly yet capable enough for seasoned users. Made from durable materials, it's designed to withstand minor bumps while delivering a smooth flying experience. Number 3 is the GSF L900 GPS drone, known for its powerful features and reliability. This drone boasts a 4K UHD video capture resolution, perfect for creating high-quality content. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, with strong anti-wind capabilities and a lightweight yet durable frame. With a transmission range of up to 1,200 meters and a flight time of 10 to 20 minutes, it's versatile enough for a variety of activities. The brushless motor ensures quiet and efficient operation, while its GPS functionality enhances precision during flight. Equipped with features like Follow Me mode, auto return, and waypoint navigation, it offers a seamless experience for all levels of users. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store, ensuring convenience wherever your adventures take you. Number 2 is the Xiaomi T6 GPS drone, a powerhouse in terms of performance and features. With an impressive 8K video resolution and 30x optical zoom, this drone ensures crystal clear visuals, even from a distance. It has an extended flight time of up to 30 minutes, giving you ample time to capture stunning aerial footage. The 5.8 GHz operating frequency and 10-kilometer remote control range provide excellent connectivity and stability during flight. Supporting multiple languages and operating systems, this drone is accessible and user-friendly. Its robust design and premium materials make it perfect for serious aerial photographers and adventurers seeking top-tier performance. Finally, at the top of our list is the LS V168 GPS drone, combining advanced technology with ease of use. With a foldable design and lightweight build, it's perfect for travel and outdoor shoots. It offers a maximum flight time of 25 minutes, along with a 5G Wi-Fi enabled camera available in 4K, 6K, or 8K options for versatile shooting. The GPS positioning system ensures precision, while features like orbit mode and waypoint navigation allow for creative flight paths. Its remote control range extends up to 3 kilometers, offering flexibility for capturing unique perspectives. Built with high-strength engineering plastic, it's durable enough to handle outdoor conditions while delivering high-quality results. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and updates on the latest gadgets.